In this lecture, we'll talk about slope-intercept form of a linear equation. You know, y equals mx plus b is the slope-intercept form. And here, intercept is y-intercept. B stands for the length from origin 0 to 0b. Okay? Yeah, basically, you may put a 0 here. So b is actually from here to here. Can be positive or negative. Okay. In this graph, b has a negative value because is below 0. X coordinate is 0 right here. Now, let's look at example 1. Find an equation of the line with slope m and y-intercept 0, 9. So in this case, 0, 9 is actually up above. Okay. So, but anyway, if we are given a slope and we are given y-intercept 0b, then we should be able to write the equation. We just directly plug in 4 into here, and then 0, 9, we plug in 9 into this place. We'll have the equation. All right. So the first question is really easy. All right. Now, let's look at the second one. The second one is find an equation of the line with slope -4/9 and passing through -2, -4. So we are given slope the same, but this point is no longer y-intercept. It's -2, -4. If here were 0, then that would be a point on the y-coordinate. So how we are going to handle this case? By this slope-intercept form, the equation is y equals -4/9 x plus b. Because we have the slope we are given, so we can put here. The only thing is that we cannot plug in 4. We cannot plug in, cannot do rational. B is the problem anyway, because we cannot plug in -4 into here. The reason is here is not 0. But -2, -4 must satisfy this equation. Is because this line, okay, passing through -2, -4. That is a good news because, we can plug in, this is our x, this is our y, so we can put -2 here and -4 here. So that's what we have right here. -4 right here equals the slope -4/9 times -2 plus b. So you see down here, then if we can solve for b, we are done. Okay? Now let's solve that. Left-hand side is -4. On the right-hand side, you have a -4/9 times -2, which gives us 8/9. Because -4 times -2 is +8, and then over 9. And then we keep plus b. Now, if we both sides subtract 8 over 9, 8 over 9. Okay, both sides subtract 8 over 9, 8 over 9. Then we can do is we cancel. And then right hand side will have a b left over. The left hand side is negative 8 over 9 minus 4. How are we going to put those two together? You know, downstairs of 4 is just 1, huh? And then you know you want the denominator to be the same. Both numerator 4 and denominator 1 multiplied by 9, because 9 divided by 9 is 1. Okay? Now 1 times 9 is 9. Then you know 9 and 9 denominators are equal. So you can then you can do is put negative 8 and negative 4 times 9, which gives us negative 36 together. 8 negative and negative 36 together, which is negative 44 over 9. So this is the value for b. Okay, and then you know we have a slope, we have intercept. Then the desired equation will be y equals negative 4 over 9 x minus plus this number over there. Okay, negative 44 over 9. Okay, so this one is, we are not given the intercept. Then we will put this one into the equation to solve for b. Once we get b, we are done. We put it back. We have the equation. Okay. Now, let's look at example 3. Example 3 is find the equation of the line passing through these 2 points, 6, 4, and 5, negative 9. In this case, it looks like it is not relevant to example 2 and 1, but actually it is quite relevant. You know, find the slope of the line first, because we are not given the slope. Okay, that's rise over run. We are given 2 slopes. Is always what we can find out. We are given 2 points. We can always find the slope. That's rise, negative 9 minus 4. That's the vertical y, vertical value. Negative 9 minus 4. Numerator is rise. And then 5 minus 6 downstairs. Okay, so you have a negative 9, negative 4 is negative 13. And you have a 5 minus 6 is negative 1. Negative, negative, so we have a positive 13. Now, if you have the slope, as we did like this, you basically can write the equation like y plus the slope times x plus b. Okay, we have the slope right down here, so that's y equals slope times x plus b. Again, we don't know b. We can solve it as we did right here, solve for b. We know the line passing through both of them. So then 2 points, either one of them must satisfy this equation. Okay, you may choose this point, you may choose this point. So let me choose 6, 4. 6, 4 must satisfy the equation, this equation. Okay, and then you know x, this is of x, goes to where? Goes to here. this place, and then y, this is our y goes to here. Okay, this one. So then 4 equals what? 4 right here. 4 equals 13 times 6. 6 plus b. Okay, and we know 13 times 6 is 78. Left hand side is 4, and then plus b on the right hand side. Both sides subtract 78. You may cancel that. So right hand side it has b. Left hand side is 4 minus 78. So we then have a negative 74. Okay, so it looks like we have found negative 74 for b, and then you plug it back here. Okay, yeah, right here you then have a b. So that's y equals 13x minus 74. You may stop right here. Okay, but let me go one more step. Both sides subtract negative 13x, then you may cancel it. Okay, so right hand side it has negative 4, as I did right here, and the left hand side has y positive and negative 13x, like that. Again, you may stop right here, but you may go one more step, is multiplied negative 4 everywhere. Okay, this term multiplied by negative 1, and this y multiplied by negative 1, and negative 74 multiplied by negative 1. So then your answer would be like this. Negative is positive 13x, negative 1 positive y, so it's negative y, equals negative goes to what? 74. So either one of these three is correct. Okay, so it depends on what question you are going to answer. Sometimes they desire this one, they like this one, they want you to put like slope-intercept form, so you are done here. Okay, but sometimes they want you to do is what? This is like they want you to do in this form, like here. And then this is what kind of form? This is ax plus by equals c. Okay. If you don't like too many negatives, and then you can take this step. Okay, and then you have the same answer like this. Okay, the computer should take either one of them. Okay, so please review those 3 examples. They are all quite related, and then I'll see you next time.